Once upon a time... Oh, I love this story. Once upon a time there was a little boy called Zach. Zach loved playing in his backyard, especially with his basketball, and especially when he was wearing his lucky cap.
Got a funny feeling today is the day. Something good's gonna happen. Hip hip hooray.
Zach was right. Something great was going to happen that day.
Hey, maybe today will be the day that I finally get the ball in the hoop.
Something even better than getting the ball in the hoop was going to happen that day.
Oh, Zach, you might be able to see a bit better if you didn't wear such a big cap.
Mom, that's my lucky cap.
I think you're going to have a lucky day, Zach. Look, new neighbours. Now you'll have a friend to play with.
Zach was very excited about new neighbours moving in next door.
Mom, look, I can see a furniture truck. I can't see the neighbours yet, though.
Then Zach saw his brand new neighbours, and they weren't at all what he was expecting.
Mom, look.
Zach's new neighbours were a family of bears. Zach was feeling a little bit shy about his new neighbours.
They're so much bigger and different to us.
Yes, I know, Zach, but they seem very friendly. Let's invite the young bear over to play.
So Zach's mother invited the young bear over to play with Zach.
Hi. What's your name?
I'm Zach.
Oh, hi, Zach. I'm Zeke. Do you want to play?
Zeke the bear didn't seem too big up close, and he was very friendly.
Okay, Zeke, let's play ball.
Okay.
So Zeke and Zach started to play basketball together.
Oh, hang on, Zach. You go first.
All right, okay. My lucky cap.
Hey, you've got a lucky cap too.
Yeah.
I've got a lucky cap. Hey, do you want to swap?
Okay.
My cap's too small and yours looks way too big for you.
So Zach and his new friend Zeke swapped lucky caps. And with his new cap on, Zach could see so well that in no time at all he was able to shoot the ball in the hoop.
Yeah, all right. I got a funny feeling today is the day. Something good's gonna happen. Hip hip hooray. Yeah.
Zach and Zeke decided they liked being different. And then they found out that they were the same in lots of ways. They both loved honey sandwiches. And they both loved berries.
Oh, thanks, Mom. Got a funny feeling today is the day. Something good's gonna happen. Hip hip hooray. Yeah.
So Zach and Zeke became the best of friends, and they still are today. Hey, do bears like to sing?
Absolutely.
Okay, great.